Welcome to Exam Sale. Today we'll be breaking down the syllabus of the Cisco CCNA CyberOps Understanding Cisco Cybersecurity Fundamentals exam, covering the key concepts and topics you need to know for success in this certification. The CCNA CyberOps Understanding Cisco Cybersecurity Fundamentals exam is composed of 6 main domains: attack methods, host-based analysis, security monitoring, security concepts, network concepts, and cryptography, each weighted at 21%, 19%, 19%, 17%, 12%, and 12% respectively, totaling 100% of the exam content. Starting with the attack methods domain, which makes up 21% of the exam, you'll learn about identifying various attack vectors and common cyber attack methodologies used against infrastructure and end users. This includes social engineering techniques like phishing and pretexting, denial of service and distributed denial of service mechanics, man-in-the-middle attack variations, web-based attacks including SQL injection and cross-site scripting, and malware classification. In the host-based analysis domain, which accounts for 19% of the exam, you'll analyze host logs, file systems, and operating system processes to identify security incidents. Key topics covered include Windows operating system fundamentals and registry analysis, Linux operating system architecture and process management, host-based firewall and antivirus log interpretation, file system analysis for NTFS and ext4, identification of suspicious processes and services, and endpoint detection and response concepts. Moving on to the security monitoring domain, also making up 19% of the exam. You'll learn about the types of data required for security monitoring and the tools used for event correlation. Important topics include differentiating between full packet capture and session data, NetFlow and IPFix transaction data analysis, interpreting alert data from IDS and IPS systems, log aggregation and event correlation via SIM, deep packet inspection implementation and utility, and common security monitoring tools and dashboards. The security concepts domain, making up 17% of the exam, focuses on the fundamental principles of cybersecurity, including risk management and security architecture. You'll cover the confidentiality, integrity, and availability triad, risk management terminology, principles of least privilege and role-based access control, security architecture components, security policy development and compliance frameworks, and identity and access management workflows. Next, the network concepts domain, accounting for 12% of the exam, lays the foundation for network protocols, the OSI model, and infrastructure components relevant to security. Key topics include the OSI model layers and data encapsulation process, TCP/IP protocol suite, IPv4 and IPv6 addressing and subnetting fundamentals, switching and routing operations, common network services, and logical network segmentation and DMZ design. Finally, in the cryptography domain, also weighing 12%, you'll explore core cryptographic technologies, encryption algorithms, and public key infrastructure. You'll learn about symmetric versus asymmetric encryption algorithms, hashing algorithms, digital signatures and non-repudiation, public key infrastructure, secure communication protocols, and cryptographic key management and distribution. With a clear understanding of these domains and their respective weightings, you will be well prepared to tackle the Cisco CCNA CyberOps Understanding Cisco Cybersecurity Fundamentals exam and take your cybersecurity career to the next level.